This is Ron from Ron's Drone RC channel today. Out here in the field, I have the Skydio 2 drone, and the Skydio 2 drone just got a big update yesterday. Well, yesterday the phone app got released with new features, and then this morning the firmware update for the drone was released, and I'll have all those firmware numbers and dates down below. In the in the description of this video. But one of the big things this update did, it allows the Skydio 2 to land on the Skydio case, and I'll show you the case at some point in the video. It has the Skydio logo on the top of the case, and it can, you can put the camera downwards and it comes down and lands on the case. So we're going to give you a demo of this, and I'll do a screen recording on the phone. I'm just using the phone app, not the controller, not the beacon, just the phone app to do this. And like I said, we will you can do a screen recording and do a demo. So stay tuned, and we'll be right back. All right, folks. Here we're inside the Skydio app now. Again, we're just flying with our phone. We're going to hit the fly now button, and then it's going to start the autonomy engine, so it can figure out, its surroundings and all that stuff. And let me stand away from the GoPro camera here. All right, it's ready for takeoff here. We got 74% battery. We're filming 4K, and you can already see the cameras moving around, checking its surroundings. So let's hit that hold the takeoff button in the middle until it gets up in the air. All right, we have almost no wind here today, so that's a good thing. So let's fly around a little bit here. We'll take it height up. I'm a little spinning around here. Let's see here. So bear with me here. I'm flying just with the phone today. There you go. We'll give you a little view of the beach there. More view than I wanted. Okay, there we go. There's a nice side angle. So let's go up a little higher. And so we got poor GPS. Alrighty. I don't know why we got poor GPS, but let's go out a little bit. And it's all just with the phone. Alright, let's go up a little bit more. Go up at least 50 feet. All right, so I'm out. I'm up 65 feet. I'm out 115 feet. So I'm gonna, I could fly around forever, but I want to bore the people. Just want to see it land on the pad. So let's bring it back now. All right, here she comes back. She goes a little slow on the phone. You got to really build up the momentum. Let's bring the height down. She flies better with the phone than any other drone I've ever seen. I'll give her that. So let's bring it back. I've already tried this. You cannot do a return to home and have it come down and land on the case. We could do a return to home and bring it back to you in general, but you kind of have to get it down to where it's pretty close over top. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna aim the camera down so it can see the case. All right. See if Ron can find the case, that is. I think I got it. Let's see here. Let's spin it back. Let's bring it back a little bit towards me, towards the camera. There we go. Now we can see that darn case. I went too far. Let's go gentle. Okay, now we're almost there. We went a little bit too far. Alrighty. So let's put her over just a little bit. So we're almost over that case now. So we're going to hit the land button now and see if we're close enough. We can always cancel at the last minute. Okay, see, obstacle avoidance is disabled. It knows it's landing. And see that yellow line around the outside of the pad? I put the case on the pad. See, it's got it. It's coming down. Boom, boom. Look at that. Perfect landing. Perfect landing on the case. Let me pick this GoPro up and let's go for a kind of a rocky close up here with a GoPro. Alrighty, how about that? Doesn't get any better than that, does it? It's a little bit to the front edge there, but she's on. So you know, that was pretty good in my book. All right. I just wanted to show that off. It just does some other features, like it. One of the big things is it used to follow the phone, the beacon. It wouldn't go more than 10 meters away from you. Or now you got 30 meters of space between you and the drone with the using the beacon with this update. So we're going to try that out too. Maybe we're going to say that for another video. But I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and test of how to land the Skydio 2 on its case. So with that being said, we're going to end this video and let you folks get back to having dinner or spending time with the family. It is summertime now, so get outside and enjoy it. It's just beginning, but you know how that is. It goes fast. So this is Ron, over and out, and we'll see you on the next one.